Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a Shopify store and want to connect your hosting or domain seamlessly, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide to link your hosting or domain to Shopify in 2025 so your store looks professional and customers can find you easily. Stick around till the end because we'll make it super simple. Log into Hostinger first, open your web browser and log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you have access to the domain you want to connect. Navigate to hPanel. Once logged in, head over to the Hostinger control panel, also called hPanel. This is where all your domain settings live. Access Domain Management. In the main menu, click on Domains and then select Domain Portfolio. This will show a list of all the domains registered under your account. Select your domain next. Click on the specific domain you want to connect to Shopify. This will open the domain overview page. Open DNS settings. Here, you'll see a tab labeled DNS or name servers. Click on it to access your domain's DNS settings. Configure the A record now. Look for the section labeled type and select a record. This is where you'll point your domain to Shopify. Enter Shopify IP address, go to your Shopify admin panel and find the correct Shopify IP address under domains. Copy this IP address and paste it into the A record field on Hostinger. Save your changes. Finally, click Save or Update to apply the changes. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate, but once done, your domain will be fully connected to your Shopify store. And that's it. Your Hostinger domain is now connected to your Shopify store, making your online business look professional and easy to find. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a 2025 e-commerce tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.